Bum ba bum 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 ba da ba da bum 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 ba da ba da bum 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 ba da bum ba da 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 ba 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 da. When it's a cold and rainy day out and you have a million tasks you gotta do, you try to do more. ADHD, why are you so? Oh, one task after another, like a root system going deeper, like a million places in your mind, getting smaller as the alleyway split into. Oh, you just wanna have a panic attack, and it's frustrating. And when your time is up, you feel like you've done nothing 'cause you were lazy. Well, guess what? If doing the dishes makes me lazy, giving the birds a bath if that's lazy, and clean up after your damn dog is lazy. Call me slazy, yes, sloth itself is on the sin of that show. I'm the sin of laziness. I'm the laziest person that ever fucking existed. I'm proud of being a lazy piece of shit. Lazy piece of shit. Lazy piece of shit. Oh, lazy piece of motherfucking shit. Oh yeah. And when those thoughts come back in my mind that I'm no good and a failure, just remind myself, take a deep breath. If all I can do is sit with myself in silence, feeling my heartbeat as much as fucking hurts, that's a motherfucking accomplishment if I ever fail one. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. If doing an hour of my homework is all I can do, if all I could ever do is take the trash only half out and get the dishes done, and if that's still motherfucking lazy, then I guess I have to admit one thing. I'm a lazy ass bitch, hell yeah. I'm a lazy ass bitch, oh yeah. I'm a lazy ass bitch, oh yeah. I'm more lazier than the sin of sloth itself. I'm a lazy ass bitch, oh yeah. I'm a lazy ass bitch, oh yeah. I'm a lazy ass bitch, oh yeah. I'm a lazy ass bitch. Fuck yeah.